Bags are packed. So we'll be flying into Antalya from Leeds Bradford Airport, and then we've got another flight from Antalya all the way to Adana here. And the reason why we've chosen this starting point is because it's a good place to start to explore the southeast region of Turkey. So we're planning on going to cities such as Gaziantep, Iskenderun, Antakya, Diyarbakir, Adıyaman, and various other places around the southeast region. So before you go to Turkey, all you need to do is fill out a passenger locator form and provide proof of full vaccination or a negative COVID-19 test or recovery from COVID-19. So this part about filling out the overseas passenger locator form before you travel, it's just like how you'd fill out one before you come back to the UK, and they do mention it on the Gov website as well. If you come down here, you will need to complete a passenger locator form. So if I click on it from the Gov website and I click on it from the Jet2 website, it's exactly the same thing. It'll take the same pages. Select your language, click on OK, and simply fill out this form. It's not a long form at all. They'll give you a QR code which you can show when you land. You will be given a HES code, which a lot of people are worried about when they're traveling, and you can use that when you're traveling around in Turkey using public transport or entering the malls and things like that. So yeah, that's as far as the admin work is involved, that's about it. So we've just been through security and we're now in the departure lounge in Leeds Bradford Airport. So the leg room here is quite impressive. I can stretch my legs out all the way, and they also have a cup holder, and there's also a table that comes down. So yeah, I'd say it's a pretty impressive leg room. There's no one in the seat next to me, so hope it stays empty. We have finally made it to Turkey. So this is Antalya Airport. We're going to stay here for the next several hours, and then we've got a domestic flight to Adana, which is our final destination. Alright, so we finally made it into Antalya Airport, and we're going to have to wait here all night. It's currently 11 PM. Oh look, it says world's biggest tunnel aquarium. It's referring to Antalya Aquarium. So we're gonna have to wait here from 11 till about 7, and our flight's at 7:25 to Adana Airport. We're currently in the taxi on the way to the domestic terminal. So we've made it to the domestic terminal, and we're gonna probably walk around and explore because we've got the next 6 hours to spend here. So this airport has its very own pharmacy. There's also a cool gift shop here for souvenirs and things like that, and also a jewellery shop. And on the left here you have something called Arby's, looks like McDonald's and Burger King, and then you've got a doner shop there as well. So it's 5 o'clock in the morning and it's picked up a little bit. Alright, so we're going to board the plane for the next flight from Antalya Airport to Adana now. and it is 7 o'clock in the morning and I'm tired.
Affedersiniz. Türkçe biliyor musunuz? Sorry. You should use medical mask at the flights. Can you change it at your seat? Okay.
Yeah. Just got a Renault Clio and I'm gonna be off now out of the airport. So we've just made it to Adana, and the first place we're gonna go to for breakfast is a place called Kazim Buffet. It's known to serve one of the best milkshakes in Turkey. So here we have the banana milkshake, and also we have some cheese toasts. I'm gonna dig in for breakfast and then go check into the hotel. Finally made it to the hotel, and this hotel is called Hosta Hotel, on the 5th floor, so we've got a semi-decent view from here. So yeah, we're just gonna kick back, relax and recharge so we can go back out in the evening to explore more of Adana. We've got so much more coming, from visiting Turkey's second largest mosque, talking to mountain dwellers, trying pistachio coffee, visiting children who shape copper, visiting an underwater mosque, to visiting a city that the British government advised against visiting, and escaping to a Turkish village to visit many tombs of prophets. Our Turkey trip was immense, and over the next so many weeks, you can see what we experienced through our videos by subscribing and switching that notification bell on so you're alerted every time we publish a new video. Thanks for watching, and until next time, as the Turkish say, güle güle.
ويا